Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to find your phone with the help of your Galaxy Watch 4. Let's get started, but firstly don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, if you are in this situation when you have your watch with you but you have lost your phone, let me show you how to find it. Swipe up on your watch and scroll down until you will find this dark blue icon. Click on it and right here click Start. You will see a notification which is saying that Galaxy Watch is trying to find this phone. You can hear and feel vibrations and this loud sound. After you have successfully found your phone, click on this cancel right here or stop on your watch. And that's it. I hope this thing can help you find your phone with the help of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. And that's all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.